Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. And this is me Asya, and today I'll show you in this video very attractive and beautiful ideas of low maintenance style for girls and women. Many much more different and latest ideas of low maintenance hairstyle for girls, for women. You see in this video. I hope you like it. First of all, I'll talk about so beautiful ideas of hairstyling. Fine hairstyle. Wavy curly hairstyling. Trendy ideas of hairstyling in low maintenance. Fine hairstyle. Wavy curly hairstyling to short wave and curls on hair. Very stylish ideas of messy hairstyle. Different collection of spiky hairstyle. So beautiful collection of different ideas of haircut. Pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, different ideas of hair dye. Blonde color, burgundy color, light brown, dark brown. Grey color, black color. So beautiful ideas of colors. And very beautiful collection of fish. Some ideas, funky colors. And and many much more or ideas. Overall collection of low maintenance hairstyle for girls, for women. Some ideas for mature women you see in this video. I hope you like. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish. And you look too gorgeous, you look very pretty. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you, please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please support me, support my channel. My channel can't go without your support or help, so I hope you do this. And share it all over social media accounts. Once again, I request you, if you are not subscribed my channel, so please make sure you do subscribe my channel and like my video. So thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. Take care and bye bye.